First, open the application. We'll pretty much ask for a connection request. And once you do connecting VPN application, as you can see here, it will take a while to get connected. You have the option to go here and select a few servers, but all of these servers are pretty much United States servers. So it will take a while to connect, as you can see here. Once it's connected, it will give you a hour connection time. At least this one here is not as bad as the others. It does give you a hour connection time, including a 90 minutes connection time, which you can pretty much add, as you can see here, top on that as well. But the connection is not that fast, guys. So I would recommend using this VPN. It's very slow, and you got to add time to it. And pretty much can add a 90 minutes connection time. Again, it's can see here for completely free. But the other ones that I've reviewed, you have to add like, they give you like a 1 minute connection time, and you have to add like 3 minutes connection time, which is crazy. And I don't recommend you guys using those ones. They're very slow. They're not fast at all. And this one here is pretty much the same, but it does give you a bit more connection time, which you can real quick. But just test it out and let me know your thoughts on these VPNs in the comment section. But see you in the next one.